Meet Sarah, a product manager at a growing tech company. After 18 months of development, her team launched what they thought was the perfect digital product. Launch day arrives, zero adoption, $2.5 million down the drain? Sarah's product is not the only victim. This story happens across industries thousands of times every year. But it's completely preventable. Sarah's team did everything by the book. They had talented developers, solid technology, and a clear vision. So what went wrong? They skipped the most critical phase of product development, discovery. Here's how most SMBs approach new products. Someone has a brilliant idea in a meeting, the team gets excited, and they immediately start building. Sound familiar? Sarah's team made 3 costly assumptions. They knew exactly what their customers wanted. Their solution addressed the biggest pain point. Users would naturally understand how to use their product, but reality hit hard. When they finally talked to users after launch, they discovered the problem they solved wasn't actually that painful. Users wanted something completely different. The interface was too complex for their target audience. But what if Sarah's story had gone differently? What if they had invested just 3 weeks in product discovery before building anything? Let me show you how that would have changed everything. Step 1. Assumption mapping. Instead of keeping assumptions in their heads, Sarah's team writes them down. Every belief about users, problems, and solutions goes on the wall. We think our users struggle with X. We believe they would pay Y amount. We assume they currently use Z solution. This simple exercise reveals how many assumptions they're making, usually 50 to 100 per project. Step 2. User research. Now comes the reality check. Instead of building first and asking questions later, they talk to 15, 20 potential users up front. They discover that users actually struggle with a completely different problem. The original idea? Not even in their top 5 concerns. This saves them from building the wrong product entirely. Step 3. Problem validation. Armed with real user insights, they test whether the problem is worth solving. Are users actively looking for solutions? Are they willing to pay? How urgently do they need this solved? Sarah discovers that yes, there's a genuine problem, but it's different from what they originally thought. Step 4. Solution testing. Before writing a single line of code, they create simple prototypes, sketches, wireframes, mock-ups. Users interact with these concepts and provide feedback. 3 iterations later, they have a solution concept that users love, validated before any expensive development begins. Now let's see what Sarah's timeline with and without product discovery looks like. Without discovery, 18 months of development, $2.5 million investment, 0 user adoption. Back to the drawing board. With product discovery, identified the real user problem, validated solution approach with users, built features that actually get used, 85% user adoption within 3 months, 40% faster development, no costly pivots, clear product market fit from day 1. The math is simple. Just 4 weeks of discovery prevents 18 months of waste. You are not only avoiding failure, but maximizing success. Teams that do proper discovery don't just avoid bad products, they build exceptional ones. Companies using structured discovery report 60% reduction in development time, 3x higher user engagement rates, 45% increase in customer satisfaction, 2.5x faster time to profitability. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great for big companies, but I'm running a small business. I can't afford to spend weeks on research. But the reality is, small businesses can't afford not to do discovery. When you're a startup or SMB, every dollar matters more. Every month of delay costs more. You can't afford to build the wrong thing. You need to get to market product fit faster, not slower. The most successful SMBs we work with treat discovery as insurance, not overhead. They'd rather invest 3 weeks up front than risk 18 months of building something nobody wants. Every successful product starts with discovery, not development. At Tentackles, we've helped businesses across industries avoid Sarah's $2.5 million mistake through our structured product discovery process. In just 2-3 weeks, we help you map and validate your assumptions, understand your real user needs, test solution concepts before building, create a clear roadmap for development. Ready to de-risk your next product launch? Start with discovery, not development. Check the link in the description for a free UX audit, or book a 15-minute consultation to discuss your project. Because the best time to prevent a $2.5 million mistake is before you make it. If this was helpful, subscribe for more insights on building products that users love. And tell in the comments, have you experienced a product discovery failure? What did you learn?